The only country that has a chance of being technologically sovereign is China. So imagine you using Alibaba Cloud and you've got DeepSeek's large language models and you've got Huawei's chips. So they would compete directly with AWS, Azure, GCP as hyperscalers versus GPT, Gemini, and so on for large language models, and nVidia for chips. So you can see two parallel ecosystems coming into being. Now, you can see also why the US would not want a parallel Chinese ecosystem. You could see why the US would resist China's technological sovereignty, and extending that, you can see why the US would not want any other nation, even the Europeans, to achieve tech sovereignty. It's worth noting that as I make this video, the Chinese chips are behind US chips, so you've got export restrictions. Now, the Chinese chips at the moment, the best Chinese chips can compete with nVidia chips that are allowed to be exported into China, but they can't compete with the chips that the US does not allow to be exported to China. So that gap eventually, I suspect, will close. We'll see how that turns out. The background, for the record, in case you're watching this video years from now, is that tariffs are being weaponized, tariffs are being used, and export controls are being used, weaponized to prevent nVidia chips being exported to China. And China has also prevented domestic businesses from importing nVidia chips because it wants to create its own domestic market. It wants sovereignty, self-sufficiency.